Make sure you take pictures. We're both getting videos.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Here, stand right here. You're gonna want pictures up here.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Oh my god. This is so cool.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara.
Look at BB-8.
Affirmative. Deck 3, you're clear for launch.
Squad, we're loading up.
Pucara personnel, this is your final call aboard. I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Lead. Handrail. Handrail.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Handrail.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Oh look,
Yeah,
at
I
the
see
back.
it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump.
We got Red 2 more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to stay good, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to jump on the way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Now quick, get up here.
They'll want a location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Over this transport distance now under the command of First Order. You out. You two out. You three out. You three out. And you four out.
Oh my goodness. This is incredible. Get pictures.
I'm trying.
So there's not much time in that room, but it's gorgeous in there with all the stormtroopers. It's so cool. We're geeking out. Or you will be on the blue marker there.
Blue line. Okay.
Are we in trouble?
You talk to us. Your interrogation will go smoothly.
Now then, you four sympathizers, take this opportunity and memorize that color that you're now standing on. You will need it later for identification, and this is the only chance that you'll get to see it. If you do have trouble memorizing that color, well, feel free to stare at it as long as you need to until you feel you got it. You will be entering that door behind you, and soon the location of the Resistance base will be ours. Isn't that right?
Never.
Well,
I like you. You're more cooperative.
yes.
Traitor.
Sometimes it's key to cooperate.
I'd say so. Makes my job easier. As far as spies go, you're not the most subtle I've ever seen, though. Kind of obvious. Since
I'm just a traveler.
you're just a traveler. That's what they all say. Unfortunately, you've traveled straight into a cell, so.
Oh dear.
Ray's gonna defeat you guys.
Get him.
He goes around spouting nonsense.
First Order scum. Yeah. Rise.
It's awfully bold.
Rise.
And good luck to all of you, especially this week's guy there.
First Order cell.
We're in jail. First Order. Jail.
Prisoners are secure.
We're in prison.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I
time to finish this personally.
Are you all together?
Yes.
Yeah,
We're in this one. Blue. That won't fit in there.
I don't either. It's a chopper.
Kind of.
Oh, cool. I got one more seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
Yeah.
It's on your left.
Okay, now pull on the yellow straps to make sure your seatbelts are secure. Thank you very much. Thank you. Keep your hands on the light clear these doors. The doors are going to close down. Excellent. This is your R5 unit. It was part of the first order, but it's been reprogrammed by the resistance to help get you out of here, okay?
Awesome. Yeah.
Take good care of them, R5. May the force be with you. Good luck. Force be with
Take
you.
this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block 3.
Oh my God.
Priority alert. Detention is a level D. There they are! Fire! These three plots just follow us. Take a list down. Copy. Hurry! No, no! Sit down!
Oh no.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations! Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now.
I think I have that authority.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on deck. No, Scaffold's talking. Lieutenant back here. Back. You're right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. R5, you too.
Oh, hell yeah.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Holy hell, that was
Oh, hell yeah.